In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. So if trading is disabled in MetaTrader 5 for you, there might be various reasons behind it. Right now, I'm not facing that problem, but I'll tell you what to do. Whenever you're trying to trade on MetaTrader 5, if it is displaying trading disabled, there might be some problem with your account. So in that case, what you can do is simply tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on this option, manage accounts, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see your MT5 accounts over here. What you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for change master password, or you can also find this option for change investor password. Tap on either of it and try changing the password. After you change the password, the problem might be solved. If your problem is still not solved, make sure your account is verified. Complete your KYC documents with your broker. Many brokers disable trading for unverified accounts, so make sure your account is verified. The next thing that you need to keep in mind that you must have sufficient fund on your account. Ensure you have met the minimum deposit requirement, especially for specialized accounts like ECN or Prom. Also ensure the symbol you are trading is not marked close only. Some instruments, particularly with suffixes like .pro, require specific account types. So also make sure to see the symbol or instrument correctly. If the account has been unused for a long time, it might also be the reason you're facing this problem. So make sure you have the active account. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Also, there might be some server maintenance going on. Trading is disabled during weekends or scheduled maintenance. So in that case, all you have to do is simply wait for the maintenance to be completed and the trading will be enabled again. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.